How to write manga comics or light novels with multiple main characters. My first tip is give each character the spotlight at some point in your story. Show various moments from their perspective and show them doing different things on their own in your story. My second tip is limit the amount of main characters you might show perspectives from. So I would recommend around 4 to 5 at the most. If you go more than that, things might get a little bit confusing with the different perspectives. My third tip is ensure that each character has an important role in the story. While they all should be following the main goal of the story, they should each have their own minor goals. My fourth tip is allow your characters to grow from each other. They should learn from each other's mistakes and use each other to reflect different aspects of their personalities. Give each character their own unique personality and their own tone of voice. The tone of voice can be shown through speech habits or the way they say things. My sixth tip is give each character a unique way of seeing the world, because since you are showing the story from each of their unique perspectives, it's also very interesting to show the way they perceive things. They may perceive things in a more negative way, or they may always try to see the good in every single character.